Alright, so we need to store the data we received from the select query as instance variables of the object. And what I told you earlier about this object is an object is different from a regular variable because a variable simply has a value here, right? In this case, it's the number 7, right? An object is a variable that contains a collection of variables. Okay, so what we did here is we created an empty object. So it's an object, so it can create it can contain a collection of variables, but at the moment it has none. Okay, so we're going to add a variable to that object. Okay, and we do it by doing this. So what is this saying? This is saying, okay, that object that I just made, let's give it an instance variable. Okay, so this is one of the many variables that this object can contain, and it does now contain cookies. So it's my object.cookies. That's how you get that. And we're going to set it equal to the array, right, that we got from our select query, and this corresponds with the column that we are looking for, right? So this is the cookies column, and we say our cookies, right? So that would be the number 32. And so we're going to basically try to stick all the data from this array into this object, right, using the same format, right? So we're going to go ahead and grab that. We're going to put that there, and this next one is going to be CPS, right? And then the column, you always want to double check that the column name is correct. So the column is CPS, and we'll save it. Right. So now this object doesn't contain just cookies, it also contains CPS. Okay. So yeah, then we want to keep going, right? Keep going. Get all of the data from this array, which would be cursor, grandma, farms, mine, factory, bank, all of these guys, and add them as instance variables to the my object. Okay. So I'll go ahead and let you do that, and we'll move forward on the next video.